Everything's back on the car now. The headlights are back on the vehicle. The grille is also back on the vehicle. And the fenders from both sides are back on the vehicle. That does not mean that we are done with everything. We still have a lot to do. From this side, everything is aligned the way it should be. But we have this cap which does not close, and you can see from the inside that it does not look good. And on the engine bay, we are not finished with cleaning it. We still have some areas that has grease on it. As you saw from the previous video that I painted this, which means that I chosen the blue filter, and I've already put it in the vehicle because I was using the vehicle to go somewhere yesterday. Tell me how it looks. Let me put this on and let me show you how it looks combined with this. Just imagine that with the valve cover being painted blue. Also going to paint this blue. There are some few things that I'm still going to do on this engine bay. I still want to clean up the engine a little bit more, especially here at the back. Let me show you. You can see that there are some dirt over there, there at the back. I'm still going to clean that part, but every single part on this car is a little bit mint, and I'm still going to go over it. And I won't record cleaning the engine. I'll show you the after when I'm done even doing the valve cover. But for now, we are going to do the fuel cap. I think aligning the fuel cap won't even take us 1 hour, so I think this is going to be an easy fix.